Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, beautiful Audi A1, 1.6 TDI, black edition, automatic, Euro 6, ULEZ compliant, 2016 on a 66, 2 owners from new, 40,000 miles, black pack car, black edition, black grille, black vents in the front bumper, black window surrounds, those 10-spoke alloys, beautiful. Look at that splitter in the rear bumper, wow. So 1.6 TDI, automatic, privacy glass, priced at $12,995. Lovely spec car as well. It is Euro 6 ULEZ compliant. Sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, cruise control, Audi Drive Select. So you've got your option for your different modes, sports and economy and dynamic. Got the S-line, half leather, black trim, S-line embossed in the seats, flat bottom multifunction steering wheel. What a beautiful thing. Sat nav, as I say, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, rear park sensors. Lovely, lovely condition. £12,995. Now, had the cam belt replaced at 35,000 miles. Cam belt done early at 35,000 miles, or probably on time. So everything you could want really. Cam belted, diesel, auto, Euro 6. It's like a big sporty prestige car, but in a little body. Well specified, drives really well. It's going to do 50, 60 to the gallon. I think it's showing 50 at the moment. Those lovely alloys with the Bridgestone tyres. They'll be 18s. 18-inch rims, Bridgestone tyres. Daytime LED running lights, rear spoiler, 2 owners, comes with 2 keys, electric heated mirrors, electric windows all round, lovely S-line steering wheel, got the cruise control there, 40,000 miles, got your sat nav, it's got auto, so it's got climate control on the heating, no wear anywhere, beautiful condition. What a great car. £12,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos. You can have a thumb through those. We've produced those over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we have a fresh car in our stock list. You will get a little notification. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know that we've just had that car fresh into stock. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.